Do you have horrible or poor or no cell signal in certain areas of your home? Well, stay tuned and I'll show you how to fix it. I'm going to show you how to improve your cell phone signal inside of your home using a cell booster. You can also take a look down below in the description area where I have the different times in which you can skip forward to different parts of the video if you like to. Now, as I show you the different installation steps that I had to take to be able to get this up on my roof, I just want to point out that you don't have to purchase a cellular spectrum analyzer. You can easily rent one online, usually for about 40 bucks or so. So it is more affordable than you might think, and you can really tune in your cell signal to just have a very stable signal throughout your home. Real quick, just so you know, I'm running a contest for the month of May in 2020. Go ahead and scroll all the way down in the comment section below and check that out. I'm giving away some free stuff and would love to be able to hear back from you guys on if there's anything in particular that you would want. If this sounds like something that you'd like, go ahead and stay tuned and let's check this out. It's onto the B-roll. Alright, so I'm coming outside here now, and I got this antenna here for the cell booster. So I'm going to go ahead and get that set up here on my house. Let's see here. Yeah, like right up over on here, so just check it out. Alright, so now I'm going to go get some more equipment and hook it up and show you guys how to be able to test it. You can see outside here, the signal's going to be a bit better.
Bringing the clippers. I don't know which clippers he's bringing, but he's very excited about it, so I'm letting him do
Yep, just drop them down. It's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and connect this cable up to that antenna and then measure the signal that we're getting from it. It's the 1900 megahertz that I'm concerned about. That's what's being used by the carrier. So Now I'm going to adjust the antenna a little bit. Let's see if we can dial that in a bit. That's real nice there. Perfect. Now let's get this hooked up inside and see what kind of speeds we get. But before we do, let's do another speed test on top of my roof. By the way, I should be getting better signal inside now with this booster. Well, I'm glad that's done. It's freaking hot out. Time to go back inside. Whew. Now I need to go downstairs and hook up the coax and plug in the amplifier and check out the cell signal. All right, let's go downstairs. It is hot out. I'm going to need a little bit more wire here. Actually, hold up. That'll literally just barely reach. Should probably put something else in there anyways, just so it's not as tight of a run. All right, let's go check it out. Alright, back into the office. And it's under my desk. Alright, so you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and connect this up and give it some power. I'm going to connect it outside and then see what kind of signal strength and speeds we get inside. Alright, so I got the amplifier plugged in here and the antenna is in my office, and we can see the different signals. Looks like it's having trouble latching on. I'm going to have to climb back up there and probably move it to the other side of the house so that I can shorten the length of the coax cable from the antenna to the booster. Alright, so coming back under here, did go ahead and make some more changes up on the roof. So you can now see I've got 3 out of the 4 signals being repeated now from the antenna up on my roof, and the speeds that are coming through are significantly better and more stable, and I've yet to drop a call when indoors now. So So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button if you liked it, and if you disliked it, then you know what to do with that. But if you really mean it and you hate it, go ahead and slap dislike twice. Shows who's boss. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to make a part 2 video on this.